Hi, this is Qasid at instantmaths.co.uk. In this video, we're going to solve the inequality 6 minus n is greater than 3. To do this, first we need to collect the unknown n terms to where they are most positive. So in this case, that's on the right-hand side of the equation because we have negative n on the left-hand side. So we need to add n to both sides of the equation. And we need to collect all the other number terms on the left hand side. So we need to subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. That leaves us on the left hand side with 6 minus 3 is 3. Minus n plus n cancels out, is greater than. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel out. Plus n is just n. And that's our answer. 3 is greater than n. We can also write that as n is less than 3. Now what we need to be careful about in this type of problem is this. Let's say we started with the same inequality, 6 minus n is greater than 3. But let's say in this case we decided to collect the n terms where they are negative. So that's on the left hand side. So we move the number terms to the other side. That's minus 6 on the left hand side. We have to do the same thing on the right hand side. That would leave us with negative n on the left hand side is greater than negative 3. So far that's all fine. The problem is if we assume like negative n is equal to negative 3, we can say that n is equal to 3. If we assume in the same way that if negative n is greater than negative 3, that n is greater than 3, that's actually incorrect. If you compare this with the correct answer, you can see that the inequality sign is actually reversed. So if we do end up with a negative unknown n, and we make it positive by multiplying through both sides of the equation by minus 1, we have to reverse the inequality sign. To avoid that extra step, I would recommend, instead of collecting the n terms where they are negative, as we've done here, collect the n terms where they are positive, as we've done here.